No.
Okay, are we ready? I'm calling, so we'll see if she answers or if I just go straight to
I'll
the
just turn off the words.
I want a hippopotamus for Christmas.
I want a brontosaurus. I love that one.
I never heard of that.
You never heard
so
that?
cute.
It's so, yeah, it's sort of.
Oh my gosh.
Hello, you answered.
Yay! Let's sing your White Christmas and then.
Yay!
We are going to carol to you.
Yay!
Here we
We're gonna
go.
sing White Christmas and then have singing.
I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. Have you a Merry Christmas? We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas!